How to remove the Dyson vacuum canister cover. Welcome to Vacuumizer. How to open a Dyson vacuum canister cover. So you should watch this video to solve your canister problem. I hope after watching this video, you will be happy and enjoy it. The Dyson vacuum canister cover is easy to remove with just a few simple steps. Number 1. Make sure that the vacuum is unplugged. Number 2. Make sure that the vacuum canister is empty. Number 3. Locate the two release buttons on the side of the canister. These buttons are usually located near the top and bottom of the canister. Number 4. Press both buttons simultaneously and pull the cover off of the canister. Number 5. Once the cover is removed, you will have access to the canister filter. Number 6. To replace the cover, simply line up the tabs on the cover with the slots on the canister. And press down until it clicks into place. Number 7. That's it. Now you know how to remove and replace the Dyson vacuum canister cover. Thanks for watching Vacuumizer. Don't forget to subscribe.